For the trig activity, we are going to do these three things. First, you're going to be able to say and spell the word correctly. Trigonometry, 5-syllable, and you can write it without missing any letter. Then we are going to ask you to write the trig ratio, or also referred to as trig formula. You can say sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse side. Cosine, the formula for cosine is adjacent side over hypotenuse side, or divide by the hypotenuse side. The formula for tangent is opposite side divided by adjacent side. The last part of the activity is to ask you to place in all these items, theta and the size of a right triangle. So when we move to the activity, remember, if in this unit for trigonometry, I will not be tricking you with right triangle. So if it looked like a right triangle and I forgot to put the mark or the number in, go ahead and help me put it in. Okay, I didn't do it on purpose. It's my mistakes. I just forgot in the printout or in the problem. Trigonometry unit, I won't be tricking you at the beginning. So when we have the square, or when we have the number 90 degree, then that's perfect. You know that for sure. But when it's like this, it looked like a 90 degree. It is a right or 90 degree angle. We have a right triangle. We are going to ask you to put in the theta angle. So theta angle is the angle that we're referring to. It's this angle. And why is it not the other two? Well, this one doesn't have any mark. And this one is always there. It's always a right angle. So theta angle is the angle that we might have just a little arc like this. Then we need you to just put in the theta. Sometimes this angle of reference is also replaced by the letter. Could be here or it could be here. And also, instead of theta, you might see 38 degree. And we will just go ahead and take this out. Or 40.5 degree, whatever it is. When we have only this angle measure, we're talking about this angle. And what you can do is just write the theta equal that angle measure. Okay, so from here, we're looking at it. And I want you to put in all the side. I hope everyone recognized right away. The hypotenuse side is the longest side. And is always opposite to the 90 degree angle. Longest side opposite the biggest angle. The adjacent side is the side that make this angle theta. So you might say, how come this is adjacent but this one is hypotenuse? Well, that's the special name, okay? So we can't use adjacent on this side. We have to use it on this side. Adjacent side go right here. Adjacent is the side that make or next to the angle. It's right here. It make the angle of reference. And opposite side is the only one that is left. It's the only side that doesn't make this angle theta, right here. What if the triangle is switched? Then hypotenuse side will still be in the same place. So I put it in the same place again for the hypotenuse side. It will never change. But the angle of theta, the angle of reference is from looking from the top. So the only side that doesn't make this angle theta is the opposite side. I'm going to go ahead and put opposite right here. It's the only side that doesn't make that angle of reference. And then, of course, there's only one left, adjacent side. And that's all we are asking you to do in the identify part of the right triangles. Good luck and have fun!